This is a pre-birthday celebration for my sister Gina. Ang paborito na akong kananan. That's why I invited them to dine here sa Lemon. Kumusta ang food nila? That's the birthday celebrant. Advance happy birthday, Ugma. Ugmaya birthday. Ugmaya birthday. Yeah, siyempre, diri ko sa paborito na ko. Celebrating the birthday of my sister Gina. Hello, good afternoon, good noon to all of us. We are celebrating. This is a big birthday celebration for my one and only sister Gina. There is a paborito na akong dining place, but this time dili siya breakfast, lunch. Kaya mawala man ang available time ng ako sister. Name ko na lang age nila. She will be turning 57 tomorrow. So, kay special man ang occasion, gusto na ko sa paborito na akong dining place. But again, I remind you, lunch ni siya. So, pag ako ni i-upload, you will be excited kay dili na monotonous ang ako primary count. This one is unpredictable because they also have the best and sumptuous lunch buffet here in Cebu City. So, tune in. And again, advance happy birthday to my sister Gina and Lemon. Thank you very much. Basta special occasion, it has to be in Lemon sa Golden Prince Hotel. Thank you. Meron siya Japanese dahil nga section ng pagkaon. Okay. The food. Anay kinilaw oh. Ooh, dessert. And the cakes. Look. A breaded fish fillet. Pasta station, pizza, let's check. Indian chicken. What else? Fish fillet with black beans. Else, mee goreng. Cauliflower polonaise. Rice.
Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday.
On behalf of Golden Prince Hotel, it's sweet to be delighted to greet you and happy birthday and thank you for so much for celebrating your birthday with us.
Thank you very much, George. Every time time I come here, you always give the best surprise, especially now it's the birthday of my sister G. Salamat. Thank you na. Wala din ko kalimot mga kalagkot sila. It reminds me na last year of the same date birthday ng ako sister. Oo, we had great plans ka mag-celebrate sa birthday. We are referring last year ha. So wala ko kay balong makatong panahon na di ay bankrupt na di ay ko. Wala na di ay ko kwarta because someone we trusted sa among family na embezzled, no, na dispal ko ang kwarta na halin na savings, halin sa boarding house, halin sa boarding house, halin sa marble. It happened during the birthday of my sister. Supposedly mag-celebrate mi siyang birthday last year. Walay celebration kay walay kwarta. Katong gisaligan namo who has been a part of our family for 19 years na dispal ko kwarta. But God has been very good. Very, very good to us. Aside from we were able to recover, mas naging solid ang pamilya ng tarong. Right? But we have learned lesson na kinahanglan yun ang family should be united in all the trials and adversity in life. Ang imo lang gid pundasyon, ang imo safety, imo pamilya. And don't trust other people other than your own family. That's one lesson we've learned. And always pray kay kung tagaan man mo challenges ng Ginoo, ihatag na ninyo para makatuon og leksyon o kibalo sa siya nga kayanon. And in fact, after that fateful incident, no, mas maayo na ang life nato karon because it's already our niece who manage the business and we as brother and sister ga-supervise na lang nila. Personal ang gahandol na gyud tanan ako pagumangkon the eldest in the family, and of course with the cooperation from the iyang mga siblings, meaning to say it has become a family business na wala nailabot ang mga outsiders are no longer a part in our family. That's one lesson I would like to share to you, na dili maging trustful sa mga tao bisag nakadugay na. Mao lagi na musalig ka be afraid of strangers pero mas mahadlok ka sa mga tao nga dugay na nimo mga kaila. Di basta-basta magtiwala. Right? Okay, kasulti niyo na.
Ginoo nang bahala.
Ang Ginoo na lang bahala. And we have forgiven pero wala mi kalimot. Okay? We have forgiven but we never have forgotten. Okay? Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you. That's that.
Pagkasikaso.
Yeah.
Pagkasikaso sa balay.
And by the way, karon budawat may mga students, legitimate students. You just lang sa akong pagumangkon si Julie. Hopefully first come first serve kadagan kayong reservation. Thank you. Ay, naay mga balutin mo ako. O sige Ning, sa imo na. Okay na. What will you say, Ning?
Thank you so much.
Sa
Lemon.
yes, sa Golden Prince Hotel. Thank you very much, Lemon. Sa balutin mo ako, tawagan ng iyong pagmamahal. This is for birthday gift na para sa akong sister. Thank you very much, Lemon of Golden Prince Hotel. Okay. Thank you very much sa Lemon sa Golden Prince Hotel for this very generous nga discount mo na maikog na gid ko permi mo ani diri because I always have that red carpet attention and the discount. Ima,
You're welcome, sir.
maraming salamat. No? I think my sister would really had a blast. Madali siya mag-celebrate.
Thank you sa dinhi mo rin celebrate sa amin. Thank you
Basta
so much.
special yung occasion. Bisag sa among mga batch, dili gyapon ni mag-celebrate. Okay? Don't forget, dying here, breakfast, lunch, or dinner sa Golden Prince Hotel. When I say it's the best, I can really vouch for it. Pangita si Emma, breakfast, Sa mga senior citizen niya, contemporaries na ko. Lunch. For the young professionals, dinner. Pag mag-date mo, bilhin mo. Nasaan sila yung merienda? Sa kabilin. Sa kabilin. Ang chef dira is my dear, ang ambassadress dira, si Luella is my dear friend. So, kabilin, 2 o'clock to 2 to 4.
Yes, sir.
No, 2 to
5:30.
4. 2 to 5. Ang ilang snack. Okay? Thank you again sa Golden Prince Hotel. Thank you, ma. Salamat. Okay, thank you.
Thank you also.
Okay.
Happy birthday. Happy birthday. Happy birthday. Happy birthday.
On behalf of Golden Princess Sweets, we'd like to greet you and happy birthday and thank you for so much for celebrating your birthday with us. Maraming happy birthday.
Thank you very much, Golden Prince. Every time we come here, you always give the best surprise, especially now it's the birthday of my sister.